Now let's check back in with Storm Watch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman to see what our conditions are looking like for us outside right now.
Well, we do have some chilly temperatures, but we also have some areas of fog developing. Take a look at Grants Pass. That visibility has dropped off quite a bit. Also seeing the fog in the Illinois Valley as well. Very foggy right now in Cave Junction. Take a look at the satellite and radar imagery. We do have some passing clouds, but winds are calm and there's been enough clear skies out there to at least see some of that fog developing for parts of Siskiyou as well as Josephine counties. And there will be some more fog that could potentially develop into more of the Rogue Valley, maybe even some east side valleys as well as we head through the night. 31 currently in Klamath Falls. It's 25 up in Chemult, 30 in Montague, 37 degrees right now in Medford, and it's 45 along the coast in Gold Beach and Brookings. With these very light to calm winds, that is setting the stage for not only the fog to develop, but also those colder temperatures and pollutants to settle down into the valleys. We have a very stagnant air mass over the region, so check out these air quality values. Unhealthy in Chiloquin and Klamath Falls, unhealthy for sensitive groups in Wairika and Happy Camp, and moderate conditions throughout the Rogue and then Illinois and Applegate valleys, seeing moderate air quality at present. We do have this air stagnation advisory going through 10 a.m. Saturday, so we still got a couple more days of dealing with these drops in air quality, especially at night and in the mornings. Tonight, areas of some fog, some passing higher level clouds, 35 in Medford, down to 24 in Klamath Falls, so a fairly cold start to tomorrow. Temperatures rebounding though, well up into the 50s. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds in the Rogue Valley, staying dry throughout the region. Here's a look at your Friday forecast. 63 in Brookings, getting up to 49 in Lakeview, 55 in Mount Shasta. So these temperatures well above average. Winds will be light for the coast and in the valleys, a little bit breezier up in the mountains. Taking a look towards Sunday in the Rogue Valley. Notice the warming trend through the weekend. A slight chance of showers later on Sunday. We're tracking that storm system out in the Pacific, but it's going to take, again, a few days to get here. We're just going to see passing clouds through the day on your Friday. It will be a dry day for the region. There'll be a fair enough amount of sunshine in the mix as well. Skies will clear out actually on Saturday, turning rather sunny for your Saturday afternoon. Some of the warmest temperatures yet for the region. But here comes that storm system as we move into Sunday. Clouds will go on the increase. Wet weather just offshore, but as we head especially into Sunday evening, Sunday night, we're going to have that potential for showers. Now, with this active stretch of weather into early next week, we are going to have some fairly mild weather in place. So snow levels are looking high, with most snow staying above pretty much all of our passes in the region. Higher rainfall amounts expected near the coast, and then in the Mount Shasta area, lighter totals for the Rogue and Shasta valleys. We'll also see some gusty winds in the region as well with this system Sunday and Monday. Notice those snow levels into early next week. They're going to stay fairly high. Not really concerned about snow impacting our Cascade passes. May need to watch snow levels in Northern California late Tuesday into Wednesday, but all in all, winter weather impacts are looking pretty low into early next week. 7-day forecast for the coast. Chance for showers on Sunday. Rain likely though on Monday. Gusty winds expected as well. Northern California staying pretty quiet the next couple of days. Wet weather into early next week. Some of the heavier rainfall amounts will be in the Mount Shasta area. The Klamath Basin even milder this weekend. Highs climbing into the lower 50s. Up into the mountains, staying pretty quiet for the most part through the weekend. Wet and windy weather early next week with snow levels staying rather high. And then in the Rogue Valley, expecting more mild and above average temperatures, but a change in our weather coming with rain back into the forecast early next week.